very happy morning, and today we are going to see about build stronger roots. Actually, there is a saying that goes like the stronger roots laugh at the storm because the deeper the roots go, the higher the tree grows. I had a neighbor who had maintained a beautiful garden with many plants that had beautiful blooming flowers each day. My sister was thrilled when she saw my neighbor's garden. She decided to grow plants at her house after looking through the flowers catalog. She ordered a picture of the plant that caught her eye. She planted it on a terrace, gave full attention to the plant by providing a lot of water, and looked after it very well. But never observed that the water was accumulating only at the surface of the soil. One day, due to heavy rain and wind, she saw that the plant was damaged, as it had come off from the roots. When she saw my neighbor's plants and that was standing firm, she asked my neighbor, despite all her good care, why couldn't the plants turn firm? My neighbor looked at the pot, smiled and said that my sister had given a lot of attention and water, but the water was accumulating only on the surface of the soil. My neighbor also added that she only poured an adequate amount of water which was deeper into the soil, making the plant stronger and thereby more likely to survive the storm. During this conversation, I realized that just like the way the plant which was nurtured with a lot of care but only at the surface level of the soil, which could not survive the storm, we are similar. We get anxious very easily and we are brought up in the very cozy environment on facing the storm. For example, when we are knocked down by any obstacle, challenges, distractions, illness, or failures, and etc., we are shaken up. We need to water plants deeply for the stronger root system, as light watering tends to encourage the roots to concentrate closer to the soil surface, where it becomes a problem because the plants can die suddenly. In the same way, unlike light watering which does not occur during, we need to water our roots such that we can resolve anything and not let the disappointment get the better of us. We must deepen our roots to build a character, because the more we grow deeper, the more we can grow taller and give shade to others. In the same way that we need to test the soil for amending or treating accordingly to the deeper roots, we should test the kind of thoughts we allow each day and remove the bitterness from the heart, just like how we fertilize the soil with the nutrients that are rich and organic. We need to provide heavy feeders to ourselves in the form of good education, being disciplined, building strong values and culture, being positive, building confidence, and upgrading our skills to remain competitive for maximum efficiency, leading the higher productivity. We are became strong through self-awareness, considering our past experiences, acknowledging our strength, staying away from vices that disturb peace, enriching our mind with good books, changing our perspective by having a positive outlook and balancing emotions with the logic. And what we are seeing at the end of this story is, if we do and we can endure despite overwhelming obstacles. And we always have to remember that we must deepen our roots to build our character, because the more we grow deeper, the more we grow taller and we give shade to others. I hope this message will motivate you this morning. Thank you so much for hearing. Bye.